In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sync the audio file with a video in Premiere Pro. You need to make sure that this matches correctly, otherwise you're going to have issues when you start editing it. So here's how you do it. So first, you need to get the audio and video file onto the timeline. You can do that by uploading the files to the project, or you can go and find them in the media browser. I'm not going to cover this too much. I like to just go and open up a file explorer and drag the files on. So here we have the files on. Now this is the video and this is the audio track. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to roughly put them together, and we're going to now sync the audio with the audio track on the video. So to do this, all we need to do is highlight everything, then right click, then go to synchronize. Once you've done that, make sure that you're on audio and track channel 1. Then you can go ahead and click OK, and it is simply going to synchronize the audio. So now if you zoom in, I'm going to zoom in with the plus arrow on the keyboard. You can see that everything has been synchronized correctly. Now what I would do is I would chop off any ends of the video where you don't need them. And then you've got your audio and video track the same length. Now I'm going to click on the video. I'm going to right click. I'm going to click unlink. And then I'm going to delete the unwanted audio track by clicking delete on the keyboard. And then I can just move the relevant audio track up to audio track 1. I can highlight both of them. I can right click, I can click link, and now we have the new audio track synced with the video, all ready to go. So that is all you have to do. I hope that quick video helped you out.